maneuver once again. Now, diving in from the left. Holding it on his hard deck of 500 feet. Coming in. Rolling the airplane around. Look how fast this thing can roll and how graceful it flies across the sky in the roll all the way down the shoreline.
Ron nicknames business special the blender. I guess that makes sense considering he's blending up the sky, mixing it up there. As he chooses that 45-degree downline, rolls the airplane upright on direction, turned around, diving for airspeed. Now he rolls the airplane to the inverted. Another 2-point hesitation roll, all within the confines of that aerobatic box. Straight up into the sky, over the top, hanging in the straps again, picking up the horizon through the front of the canopy, rolls the airplane upright. Now step rolls the airplane up to the left. Now if you pull the airplane, you would see a great big figure 8 flying on its side in the sky as he rolls down into the inverted and then back to the upright position. Getting jostled around in that cockpit. Not a very comfortable type of a situation there, but he gets the seatbelts strapped tightly down so that he stays firm in the cockpit. Another hammerhead turn at the eastern end of the field. Diving for airspeed again. It's all about energy management, and Ron does it so well. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A perfectly executed 4-point hesitation roll with a roll the opposite direction.
What a great job Ron is doing up there in that beautiful red and white. It's special.
These guys get quite the workout here. You don't just jump into an airplane and start experiencing 6, 7, 8 G's. It'll put you right to sleep. You have to work up to it. You don't just start into the air show season. They got to rehearse, they got to practice, they got to... We all had to get through our first vehicle.
Actually, that was my third. That was your third? Yeah. My first one was Sven. Oh, really? Yeah, it was a Volvo. Oh, okay. Called Sven. Anyways, we're talking airplanes here, not cars. As we see a bit special and Ron Andrews to actually get. Folks, make sure you pick up your official Airshow brochure as well, because there is an autograph page area in there. And once the performers get
their aircraft
shut down, and if they can, they're going to make their way over in front of their aircraft by the static area. And you can ask them about
way through this next maneuver. Many aircraft can perform a loop, but very few can perform one like the Hornet. Watch as Captain Goulet sets up for the very demanding square loop. During the downward portion of this next maneuver, the aircraft will be flying in full afterburner, descending at over 30,000 feet a minute. And now, with a 6.5 G pull to the vertical, Captain Goulet and the square loop.
Pushing the stick forward. to stay level. They'll hold in as they cross the midpoint. And as Roy said, kids, follow the smoke trails and tell me what kind of maneuver they're doing here as they complete those loops. Now they roll onto their backs and start to head down towards the ground.
My heart.
Well, if the wind didn't blow the smoke away, you would have seen a great big vertical peak in the sky, diving the special wave by Team Rocket.
Incredible as they maneuver around the skies here. Oh, and we have such great weather. A little bit of rain earlier, but it's cleared up perfect for this air show as they head off stage left. Again, the air show is still trailing behind these two very incredible aircraft. Again, only 1,146 pounds is what these machines weigh. Very, very light.
Accurate flying is essential for our two inner pilots. Flying in the inner right wing position is Snowbird 2, Captain J.F. DuPont from Quebec City, Quebec. Captain DuPont is in his third year with the team, is an experienced Harvard 2 military instructor. Flying in the inner left wing position is Snowbird 3, Captain Patrick McIntosh from Windsor, Ontario. Captain McIntosh is an experienced military flying instructor on the Harvard 2 aircraft. Now look to your left as the team returns for the swept delta. Bottom side pass.